Are
Yes.
you worried about assets release and current market conditions?
I mean, I'm always worried about the release of anything, just in terms of the anticipation of the amount of work and getting everyone on the same page as we move forward with that. But from a broader view of it all, I think that letting emotions and also market sentiment dictate plans never got anybody anywhere, did it really? Waiting for like a clearer market direction is just as bad as a gamble of as launching assets right now. So it doesn't really matter to us. I mean, also politics, it's amazingly toxic at the moment, and it could moon crypto or it could dump crypto at any minute, even like tomorrow, whatever. So you can't really judge what's going to happen. But I think I could dig further into it. We could say we are mindful of the market conditions. It's not like we don't check the charts or anything like that. And we are mindful about sometimes when a crypto project releases code, sometimes they time it perfectly well, and sometimes they don't. But the actual project itself releasing that at the right time is a bit of a gamble. So market volatility, for example, like significant movements in Bitcoin, can cause substantial fluctuations across other altcoins, including Raptorium. This can also impact the value of the coins, and also the adoption of things like assets. If we released it when if we just released assets and it dumped 50%, then obviously it would have an effect on it. But we shouldn't be worried about that because we have no control over that. I mean, we are planning to ramp up our marketing efforts over the next few months to ensure a bigger presence in the space, and that's what we all want. It's what the community want. It's what all the devs want, and that's why we're working hard. This preparation is crucial to maximize the impact of the assets release when and if the market conditions are more favorable. But again, no one really knows when that's going to happen. So in my opinion, delaying is just simply not an option based on the gamble of how someone might perceive the market to be. I think sometimes you've just got to keep rolling, moving forward, no matter what happens with outside factors. We've previously committed to thorough testing of, the forking mechanisms and other technical aspects on the testnet before intending to deploy them on the mainnet. I mean, this gives us a bit of a comfort blanket because we know that it should work. We've tested it a ridiculous amount, probably more than a lot of projects out there. So this gives us the confidence that the ASICs function correctly and also securely. And I mean, it's vital for maintaining community trust and also adoption. I mean, we can go out there with full confidence and say we did the right thing, and that's what we've always done. Obviously, the assets are released in 2 stages to ensure a smooth transition. The forking mechanism has been tested, followed by a period of running it on the testnet. There are just the last few things to do, ready for the mainnet deployment, including visual IPFS that David's just been talking about, which in my opinion is a game changer in the DeFi space. Obviously, as you all can see, one of the main challenges is the liquidity and also the depth of the market. We are aware about early decisions to focus on BTC markets might have been a mistake because BTC just throws around altcoins like a rag doll, you know what I mean? So moving forward, we are now focusing more on USDT markets to ensure better liquidity and divisibility with future listings. We're also working hard to ensure that the assets release is accompanied by a respectable ecosystem. We might not have everything that we want in place at launch, but we're going to have some key features there, which surely should get you all going, and features that we're confident that you can all use without error. A lot of this is the partnerships, what we've got coming up, educational initiatives, which we're going to start be doing on the YouTube, and also working with educational institutions, and also a lot more community engagement to drive the adoption and the utility of the assets on a global stage. We can also add the transactability in the Stacey wallet that Tree's working on. I know that's something that I'm excited about, because I can literally send Sherm some worms if I want to, or I can send Alejandro some Spanish flags, or whatever I want to do. You know, it's going to create a big buzz in the Discord, and gives more people reasons to be there. And I'm hoping to get more of a community centric feel on the back end of all of this. By addressing all of these different factors that I've just talked about, I think we aim to mitigate market volatility, and we aim to also navigate market conditions more effectively to ensure hopefully a successful release of Raptorium assets. No one knows what's going to happen, but we never give up. We're not waiting around. We're just gonna plow forward with it.